Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD. Today is Sunday, March 21st, 2021. It is 8:09 and 10 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, Ketogenesis. So let's hop to it. Mitochondria found to be protected by ketogenesis. Date March 16, 2021. Source, Kumamoto University. Summary. Ketone bodies are generally an alternative energy source during starvation, but in newborns, ketogenesis is active regardless of nutritional status. In a recent study, researchers analyzed the effects of ketogenesis in mice and found that it has a protective effect on cells by maintaining the function of mitochondria. Researchers expect that this effect can be used in future therapies for protecting mitochondria and organs. Ketones, along with glucose and fatty acids, are metabolized used as energy sources. In particular, ketones are known to be an alternative energy source during periods of fasting or starvation. However, ketogenesis is known to be active in the neonatal period regardless of the number of calories consumed during nursing, and the role it plays in newborns is not well understood. To search for answers, researchers generated ketogenesis deficient mice that lack the gene for HMG CoA synthase 2 HMG CS2, an important enzyme, ketogenesis. Their analysis showed that, in the absence of ketone bodies, the mice developed a severely fatty liver during the neonatal period. Focusing on the mitochondria, they showed that the enzymatic reactions in the mitochondria, mainly the Krebs cycle, were impaired. Nutrients are converted to acetyl-CoA during the Krebs cycle, which is then converted to citric acid and 7 other acids to produce energy. In the search for the cause of the dysfunction, researchers confirmed that the accumulation of the substrate, acetyl-CoA, due to insufficient ketogenesis, impairs the functions of proteins in the mitochondria by adding excessive acetylation. During a rapid increase in fatty acid intake with postnatal nursing, active ketogenesis under normal conditions has a protective effect by preventing excessive acetylation of mitochondria proteins and maintaining mitochondria function. Researchers believe that this result will be used in therapeutic applications for mitochondria and organ protection in the future. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. I hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.